The WOW signal, 1977. Imagine a 72-second radio burst, detected from deep space, perfectly tuned to the hydrogen line, the universal watermark frequency scientists expect from intelligent life. Captured by Ohio State's Big Ear radio telescope, the signal was so striking that astronomer Jerry Emin circled it and wrote "Wow" next to the data. Despite decades of searching, no one has ever heard it again. Its origin remains a haunting cosmic mystery, tantalizingly close yet completely silent sense. The WOW signal still echoes in SETI's quest, a ghost in the universe's static. 2. Fast radio bursts. Or FRBs. A sudden, high-energy flash lasting less than 1,000th of a second travels billions of light-years and still reaches Earth with incredible force. That's an FRB, fast radio burst. First discovered in 2007, they're brief, powerful, and terrifyingly unexplained. Some happen once, others repeat with no clear pattern. One FRB released more energy than our sun does in 80 years in just 1 millisecond. We've traced some to distant galaxies, but the true cause, still unknown, still whispering. 3. The Lorimer Burst, 2007. It came out of nowhere. A single sharp radio pulse discovered while reviewing archival data from the Parkes Observatory in Australia. It was so powerful and so short that at first astronomers thought it was an error, but it wasn't. This became the first recorded fast radio burst, now known as the Lorimer Burst. It challenged everything we thought we knew about deep space radio emissions. No origin, no repeat, no warning, just a spike, and then silence. 4. The SHGB-02+14A signal. In the early 2000s, SETI at home flagged a faint, narrow-band signal coming from deep space, right between the constellations Pisces and Aries. It had no Doppler shift, no known astrophysical source, and reappeared multiple times. The signal came from a fixed point, but didn't follow the movement of any known object. Its name? SHGB-02+14A. Technical, cold, and unexplained. Some dismissed it as noise. Others saw it as a whisper we weren't meant to hear. 5. The Periton Mystery. At first, they looked like alien signals, short, sharp radio bursts that mimicked fast radio bursts almost perfectly. Parkes Observatory detected them again and again, same structure, same energy spike, same eerie timing. But then came the twist. The signals weren't from space at all. They were caused by staff opening microwaves before they finished. Even Earth can fake a cosmic ghost. 6. FRB 121102, the repeater. Most FRBs are one and done, vanishing into silence. But FRB 121102 broke the rules. First detected in 2012, it kept repeating, dozens, then hundreds of times. It came from a dwarf galaxy, 3 billion light-years away, near a persistent radio source no one can explain. Its bursts follow no clear schedule, but they always come back, loud, sharp, and unnatural. If the universe has a heartbeat, this one never stopped. 7. The HD 164595 signal. In 2016, a Russian radio telescope picked up a strong, focused signal coming from the direction of HD 164595, a sun-like star with at least one known planet. The frequency? 11 gigahertz. The power? Off the charts. If artificial, it would have required a civilization more advanced than ours by far. SETI scrambled to investigate, but it was never heard again. Some later suggested it was interference. Others weren't so sure. It's the kind of signal that leaves more questions than answers. 8. The Green Bank Repeater. Buried in the silence of West Virginia's radio quiet zone, the Green Bank telescope caught something strange, a series of repeating signals, narrow and structured. They came from deep space, faint but unmistakably real. Scientists traced them to a galaxy 500 million light-years away, from an unknown source near its core. These weren't one-time bursts. They returned again and again, clustered in windows, like someone or something was sending them on a schedule. A message? A malfunction? Or just the universe tapping on the glass? Heard something today that gave you chills? Hit subscribe because the universe gets even weirder next week. And yeah, we've got more signals. So what do you do with a signal you can't explain, one that vanishes before you can prove it's real? You keep listening, because somewhere in all that static, something might be trying to reach us. And whether it's alien tech, dead stars, or just cosmic noise, you'll want to be here when we decode the next one.